Hey guys, okay, part two. I have just washed my hair and I conditioned it. What I used, like previously stated, was the African Pride Moisture Miracle Honey and Coconut Oil Shampoo. Now this shampoo is very cleansing, not stripping, but it did clean my scalp and my hair. It got all of the pre-poo out. My hair was very detangled. The pre-poo, I ended up leaving it in my hair for a couple of hours. But then I used this shampoo, and this shampoo smells amazing. It smells like candy. It has the honey smell. It's a sweet smell. It doesn't linger. My hair doesn't still smell like it, but it was very pleasurable to shampoo with this, and it lathered up. It cleaned my scalp. It got all the pre-poo out. And my hair wasn't as slippery. It doesn't have a lot of slip, but my hair also didn't tangle back up. So yeah, this shampoo is really, really good. I strongly recommend it. I followed up with that with the African Pride Moisture Miracle Honey, Chocolate, and Coconut Oil Conditioner. Now, the instructions on this say that after you wash your hair thoroughly, you can put it in your hair and leave it in your hair for 10 to 15 minutes and then rinse thoroughly. I did that. I put it in my hair. It has a chocolate smell. I put it in my hair and I left it in my hair while I finished the rest of my shower. And my hair is tangle free, very soft. It feels really good on the hair. So I do recommend this as well. Now I'm going to deep condition my hair. But it's late. So first I'm going to go to bed, and then I'm going to get up in the morning and I'll deep condition it. And of course I will record it. So I just wanted to give you an update. Shampoo and condition done. Deep condition is next. And I'll see you in the next clip. Have a good night. Talk to you guys soon. Hey everybody, good morning. It's Shapara. I'm back. My last clip you saw that I went to bed after I washed and conditioned my hair with the African Pride products. So now I'm going to deep condition. This is actually how I slept last night. It's a little terry cloth bonnet that my husband actually gave me. So I put that on, and I have a shower cap on to keep my hair kind of moist so I wouldn't have to wet it up so much. So we're just going to dive right into this. My hair is very, very, very soft. Still smells like the African Pride products. So what I'm going to do is section off my hair, which I can do now because it's detangled. If you haven't seen my detangling video, I will leave it in the iCards throughout this video, and you can take a look at it. All right, what I have here I'm going to spray my hair with warm water. This is hot to warm water to try to open my shaft back up. I don't think I want to sit under the dryer. I'm just going to put it on my hair and put this terry cloth bonnet back on top of my shower cap to kind of let it marinate. And then a couple of hours later, I'll rinse it out and I'll come back and we'll style my hair. Okay, let's get started. So I'm going to take my water bottle and just generously spray my hair. I have fine strands, so don't need a lot. Make sure I get those ends. And the reason why I use warm water is because I do have low porosity hair, low to medium, and I want the water to open up my hair strands so the product can go into my hair strands. So let's see here. This mask has a very light smell. It's very creamy. I have used it before. So we're going to, yes, it's very thick. I use about that much to start off with. I'm just going to put it in my hair. Very creamy. Make sure you get your nape. Don't want to neglect any part of your hair when you're deep conditioning. I'm going to grab some and put on the ends. The oldest part of the hair needs that extra love. Now I'm going to separate here and get in between. Even though I have fine strands, I still want to get the product in between. Make sure I get product on all of my hair. Very important to do that. Okay. This feels pretty good. So now I'm going to twist this up. All right, and I'm going to pin it out of the way. There you go. On to the next side. I'm going to detangle it from the washing process. It's already detangled. I'm going to add some warm water. All right. Again, take a generous amount and rub it in. Make sure I get my nape. People call it kitchen. Make sure that kitchen ain't nappy. Y'all remember that? No. Might be a little old school. No, people still say that or not. Get my ends. Go in the middle. Drag it down. There is no right or wrong way to apply deep conditioner. Just make sure your strands are covered. That's all you have to do. That's what's important. Because you don't want one part of your hair to get deep conditioned and the other part to still be dry or neglected. Make sure you get those roots and your edges as well. So this feels pretty good, so I'm going to twist it up. And the reason why I do this is because when I do use, one second, let me grab a bobby pin. When I do use heat to deep condition, which I do sometimes, the heat's up here. So you want to make sure your ends and everything gets all of the heat. Which it will, even if it's down, but it's easier for it to be concentrated up here. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to put back on my shower cap. And I'm going to put back on my terry cloth bonnet. And I'm going to leave it like this for a couple of hours. And then I'll be back. I'll rinse it out. And then I'll come back and we'll style. See you soon.